Mga kapatid, tayo'y nagagalak at nagkatipon-tipon sa pagdiriwang na ito para sa sanggol na magiging kaanib ng ating sambayanang Kristiyano. Sa pagsimula ng ating pagdiriwang sa sakramento ng binyag, mangyari po lamang na ipahayag ang inyong layunin ukol sa inyong pabibinyagan.
Christian world, Ellie!
Hi, Ellie! I hope you be a good Christian!
Hi, Ellie! Happy birthday also! So, I pray na you will be a good and loving daughter to your parents. I love you!
Happy birthday, Emily Rose! Welcome to the Christian world! Nandito lang kami, mga ninong at ninang mo, to support you and help your mommy and daddy.
Welcome to the Christian world, Ellie. Sana lumaki kang isang mabuting Kristiyano at magpakabait ka palagi at sumunod ka sa amin ng mami mo.
There's no way to say this song's about someone else. Every time you're not in my arms, I start to lose myself. Someone please pass me my shades. Don't let them see me down. You have taken over my days, so tonight I'm going out. Yet I'm feeling like there is no better place than right by your side. I had a little taste and I'll only spoil the party anyway. Cause all the girls are looking fine, but you're the only one on my mind. La-di-dee-la-da-da-do, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-di-dee-la-da-da-do, there's only me, there's only you. La-di-dee-la-da-da-do, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-di-dee-la-da-da-do, when you were gone, I think of you. All this place is packed with people, but your face is all I see. And the music's way too loud, but your voice won't let me be. So many pretty girls around, they're just dressing to impress. But the thought of you alone has got me running, I don't know what to say next. Feeling like there is no better place than right by your side. I had a little taste and I only spoiled the party anyway. Cause all the girls are looking fine, but you're the only one on my mind.
Hi Emily, welcome to the Christian world and happy birthday. Bonso, happy birthday. Good boy lagi ah. Emily Rose, welcome to the Christian world. Happy first birthday. And to Alfonso, happy 5th birthday sa'yo. God bless.
Ellie, happy birthday. Tsaka Alfonso, tas Ellie, welcome to the Christian world. From Tito Mio.
They won't see through my disguise, right here behind my eyes.
Happy birthday, Alfonso. This is the second time na nakapunta kami sa birthday mo. So, malaki ka na ngayon. Siguro, we will also help you and your mother and father.
Hi, Ellie. Welcome to the Christian world and happy birthday. Ellie and Alfonso, Tita loves you. Kay Kuya, happy birthday! Sana lumaki kang mabait. May paggalang sa magulang, kay mami and kay daddy. Parati ka dapat susunod. You always follow us. And sana bawasan ang katigasan ng ulo. Ayun. Happy birthday! We love you, Ellie and Alfonso.
I think of you.